In Year 3 we teach addition of a 3-digit number to a 2-digit number. I'm going to demonstrate the calculation 208 and 38. To make a start, I'm going to build the number. Start with the 208, which consists of 2 hundreds, 0 tens and 8 ones. 2, 4, 6, 8. And then I'm going to make 38, which is made up of 3 tens and again 8 ones. 2, 4, 6, 8. When solving an addition equation, we always start in the right hand side. I'm going to add the ones first. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Because I have 10 ones, I'm going to exchange the 10 ones for 1 10. And then I'm going to move that 10 into the tens column. That leaves me with 2, 4, 6 ones. We move that down into our large answer column. Then I move on to the tens. I have 1 10 already, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. Then I move to the hundreds column. I have no hundreds to add to 2 hundreds, so again I move those down into the answer column, which gives the answer 246. Again, giving us our answer for the calculation 208 and 38.
So, in this equation or calculation, I'm going to demonstrate the pictorial and the abstract of adding a 2-digit number, 38, to a 3-digit number, 208. So first what I'm going to do is draw this pictorially. So I'm going to build 208 pictorially. So to build 208, I'm going to build 2 hundreds, 0 tens and 8 ones. Let's start first building the hundreds. So I've got 2 hundreds to build, and we draw those simply as squares. So we need 100, 200, making sure they're aligned in the hundreds column. Next I go to my tens. I've got 0 tens to draw, so I simply leave that blank in the tens column. Next I need to draw 8 ones, and to do this I'm going to draw these as dots. So we've got 8 ones to draw. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You would notice that I've drawn them in the dice formation. It makes it easier for the children to read and see. 6, 7, 8. So I've got 208 in the abstract, and now I've got 208 pictorially. I now need to add 38. So I'm going to draw in the symbol the addition sign, and we always draw that on the left hand side, and I need to draw 38. So let's first build 38. So making sure it's in the tens column, I am going to draw 30 as 3 tens, and we draw them as vertical lines. So there's 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, and 3 tens equal 30. Next I need to draw 8 ones. So if we go again, making sure it's aligned with the ones column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now what we need to do is add the numbers going down pictorially. So the first thing I'm going to do is make sure my equals sign is clearer by drawing that a little bit wider if I can. There we go. So let's add up the ones. Now they would know by year 3 they've got 5 ones in that square, 5 ones in that square, so we know that will equal a 10. So I'm going to exchange those 10 ones, and just so I know that I'm not going to add those up, I'm just going to put a cross through those, and those 10 ones I'm going to put in the tens column, like so. And then we're going to add up the ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can draw those pictorially, making sure again they're aligned in the ones column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next we need to add up the tens, making sure we remember the 10 that we exchanged. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and we draw them, the lines going down vertically. 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. I've got 2 hundreds. I haven't got any hundreds to add together, so I've simply still got 2 hundreds left. So I'm going to bring those 2 hundreds down, again making sure they're lined in the hundreds column. Children will see here, when they're looking at the pictorial, that they have got 200 and 10, 20, 30, 40, 46. 208 add 38 equals 100, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 46. Once they've grasped the idea pictorially, we will then go to the abstract. So, starting again, we always start on the right hand side when we add together, and also when we subtract as well. So we've got 8, add 8. 8 ones add 8 ones is 16 ones, so we are going to write the 6 for the ones here, and the 10, making sure it's aligned in the tens column. Then we're going to add together the tens. I've got 0 tens, add 3 tens, not forgetting the 1 10 here. You can always check pictorially, it's exactly the same. 3 tens add 1 10 is 4 tens. Next we're going to add the hundreds. We've got 200, add 0 hundreds equals 200. So the answer from 208 and 38 equals 246, and we can see it matches the pictorial. 208 add 38 equals 246. Here I have demonstrated adding together a 3-digit number and a 2-digit number with one exchange.